Hello, we continue with the topic of ratios. In this lesson, we will investigate whether the values of two given ratios are equal using cross multiplication. Let's start with our first expression. You will quickly understand that it is quite easy. Friends, in our first expression, is the ratio of 4/6 equal to the ratio of 2/3? How will we examine this? We will multiply the values of these two ratios crosswise. So, if I multiply 6 by 2, what about the other cross values? Who are they? 4 and 3. Is the product of 4 and 3 equal? If we look at these results, 6 times 2 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. If the results we found are equal, we can say this. So, the ratios 4/6 and 2/3 are equal to each other. Therefore, this would be a correct equality. Let's look at our second equality. Is the ratio 3/5 equal to the ratio 6/7? What will we do again? We will multiply 3 by 7. Is 3 times 7 actually equal to 5 times 6? We are thinking. When we calculate, 3 times 7 is 21 and 5 times 6 is 30. Two different values. 21 equals 30. Since this is a false equality, we say that these two ratios are not equal. So this equality is a false equality. Let's look at our third equality. I wonder if the ratio 2/5 is equal to the ratio 6/15. We immediately look at the cross products. We will multiply 6 and 5, and 2 and 15. Is 2 times 15 equal 5 times 6? And 2 times 15 is 30? Yes, 6 times 5 is also 30. Since we obtained equal results, we can say that the ratio 2/5 is equal to the ratio 6/15. Here, we are actually performing a very important operation. The examination of these cross products will also appear in later topics. That's why I wanted to emphasize this point by putting it as a separate lesson, a separate video. We look at the cross products, we check if two ratios are equal while examining. If the results of these cross products are equal, we can say that these ratios are also equal. In the following videos, when we discuss the topic of proportions, we will use this property. Friends, therefore, it is an important process, the examination of the equality of cross products.